Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, December 31st. We're looking at window traders market profile of the ES and the NQ. First and foremost, once again, a lot of people only listen to the afternoon video. I want to wish everybody a happy and most importantly, healthy new year for the year 2025. Hopefully, you get everything you want in both health, happiness, and trading. Pretty interesting day. Gave incredible. I think the day was very accommodating today. Had an excellent day. Righty. Let's start with righty. They come back into balance on the daily as they take out yesterday's high. They end with an 11 wide point of control. NQ ends with just an afternoon rally high in H. They got mighty close to the balance low on both the weekly and the daily, but did not get it, so there's still balance on both of those. However, inside week down paid very handsomely today. ES ends with an afternoon rally high in H and a double distribution day down that held. We both end 8 wide. NQ had 3 attempts at a trend day down, took them all back. And ES also, with the inside week down, paid handsomely. ES will be treated as an inside day going into Thursday, as we took it out by yesterday's low by, I think, 1 point. So you could certainly treat it as an inside day and still balance. SPY was officially an inside day. They missed the 30th low by a penny. Okay? I'll go over the trades, try to go over them rather quickly. I mean, it really was a good day. My first trade of the day actually was an A period. We pulled down. I took a long against the overnight pocket NQ, which I got paid on, as it proved to be a bit of a speed bump and bounced back up. That was my only long in the morning. Then I started looking for shorts in A period. We were getting some good ebb and flow shorts. We were below the opening. We were below the 144. I got A's low very nicely in B period. Made 48 points on that one. Then I took a short to get the overnight low. It went back up. I lost 30, but then it came back down again, and I finally got it and got 20 back. So net, I still made 38 points in B period, even though I lost on the initial short to get the overnight low. C period, nice ebb and flow shorts, paid off. We were below the opening, below the 144. We had the overnight low. And then I got my IB low in D, taking out B's low. Only did a 2-lot. Only did a 2-lot on that one. That still paid, I think. I'm trying to think. No, actually, I didn't. Yeah, I'm sorry. I got the overnight. I got the IB low, and I got the overnight low. And that was in B period we got the overnight low. I'm sorry. Hold on. I got the IB low in D. Okay, that one. It was only 2-lot. Then I'm looking. It's the wrong one. I made 7 points in ES in D period, taking shorts to get the overnight low, but I never held it until then. I was short at 53, went to 50, went back up short at 52, back to 50. I did that 3 times, made 7 points. So did well on that one. When NQ filled their single prints in E period, in E, took a short against that. That paid. G period, we had single prints to start, and against ebb and flow, the market was continually pushing down. H period, I took a long, had a really nice long. Made 50 points on it actually to stop the one-time framing down in H. And then the last trade of the day was in J. I said, I don't think we're going to try to go trend again, and made some on that. You know, we saw it. We kept warning the room. They were pressing for 3 hours down here and really couldn't get any extension below G at all. And then they finally got alleviated. Same with NQ. Now, we really didn't go anywhere, and we held the trend day, but sellers kept pushing but couldn't get much a good part of the afternoon. After G period. I'm not going to go over the destinations. I put them in bigger increments so you can see the profile. So look, I mean, this is one Huge balance here in ES. Look, here it is. Wednesday's Fed day high is the balance high. Friday of that week is the balance low. So that's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are 9 days of balance in ES. Now I'm calling the weekly down because the weekly was down before we had the inside week last week, and we came out of that inside week down. So for now, I'm back to down on that. But in NQ's case, we're still balanced on not only the weekly, but the daily. Okay? But NQ got fairly close. So here's today's low. Look at that 20th low is both the weekly and the daily balance low. So that'll be interesting come Thursday. All right? And then on the chart, let's just show you quickly. So let's show you real quick. End of the year. Monthly, healthy in ES, up. Weekly, down. Now, some people might still be calling this balance, but for me, because we were down 3 weeks ago, the inside week didn't totally stop it. We were down to balance, and now for me, we came out of that balance back to down. So that's why I'm calling the weekly down. And the daily, one big balance, 9 days. Okay? We're going to go out with an average volume of 57 million, which is one of the lightest for a year in a while, I believe, in SPY. NQ. Not, is that the right close on their monthly? I guess so. That's not a pretty monthly candle, if that's right. But they're still up. The weekly is balance, right? Including this week, it's a 5-week balance. But they're close to the bottom of it. So we've got to keep an eye on that on Thursday. And the daily, once again, is one big balance. So, again, I hope everybody had a good day, good year trading. Look, this is how you have to look at it. If you had a good year, keep working on what worked and continue to become better at it, right? We're always looking to better ourselves. Okay? Nobody can ever sit there, I hope, and say, I've made it and I can't do anything better. That is not true in anything, but especially in trading. Okay? So continue to work on and add to the things that worked well for you and try to eliminate the things you did that did not work for you, right? To make yourselves a much better trader for 2025. And to that end, I still say you should join camelbacktrading.org. Safe night all. Enjoy them all, and we'll speak prior to the opening on Thursday.